both outdoors. We're getting ready to try to catch some fish today. It's awfully windy. We're going to use these dragging weights, or as we call them, dragon weights. Randy made these homemade. We just got some stuff at Home Depot to make them. This floaty thing right here, it keeps your bait up off the bottom. And we've got a nice juicy chunk of skipjack on here. This is a gut shot, or gut piece. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to push the button here and let this sink to the bottom. Because after I get the planer board on here, and the planer board is a new thing to me, then we will let this go a little bit and let some string out. Alright, I'm going to just stop it right here. And hand me that. Would you hand me that?
Did it go all the way to the bottom? You'll let some more line out. All right. Put that one on first.
You gotta have some finger muscles here, evidently. Okay, you get this little thing on here and you clip him on so you don't lose your planer board. And look how pretty these are. These were made specially for us from BCat boards. Thank you, BCat.
All right.
Now we got to take this little red thingy and put the string in through here. Does it go through that red thing? Go through here? Or?
No, just right there. And then
all right,
slide
now.
that, oh, the other way.
I don't know about that. Okay, then you push it over this way tight and it smushes down. That's a technical term. It smushes down and that's it. Then you throw this out in the water.
You'll let the...
Well, you have to let some more string out. Don't be a dummy like me, but this is my first try. And I'm trying to learn to do this by myself.
Get some slack out.
And make sure, girls, if you're doing this by yourself, you don't want this mess right here. You want to hold your finger here because I'm getting a mess. You see this? Then you have to listen to your husband. So try to keep your finger on here so you don't get the big mess and you don't have to hear the lecture. Because it's about to come.
No, I do it all the time. We got one heading out to my right side or left side, depending which wherever you are looking.
I think whoever wound this string on here.
That's brand new string. I just put it on last night.
That's the problem. Brand new string is a problem. But after you get it wet out here and reel it back in, I tell you the river water helps it.
That one out there is getting out there.
Now I've got my bird's
All
nest
right.
straightened up, girls.
Now just click it and put it in that far right one, and it'll go off to the left side. There you go. Now it's starting to go out. See there?
Now, while y'all only get to see the good parts because we're going to turn the camera off and I'm going to sing some songs with the radio.
Let's turn that camera off. Never seen nothing like that before, have you?
No, it was acting crazy. The downside to planer boards are you have to take them loose, and well, when you have a fish on, and the wind the light variable wind is swishing us around like we're in the tidy bowl. It's like Jaws. Watch it carry on.
Look at it. Crazy.
You got a gar. I'm jealous. Here, I can't. Wait a minute.
Well, I can't.
Here, come over here. Get in. Oh, it's pretty.
No, watch out now.
He's wanting to stab me. There's a knife right there by my foot.
A knife?
By my foot.
Oh, I pull it up here and I'll flip that thing. Okay?
Oh, wait a minute, I'm trying.
Let me flip. He's going downriver, ain't he? Huh?
Going somewhere.
Wasn't even in water. 5 minutes. 3 minutes, maybe.
I'm trying to go under the boat.
Here.
Tangled up on the other pole now.
Is it?
It's a big one, Randy.
Oh my God. Oh my God, Sherry. Hang on to that thing.
I got him. He might be about TV. Isn't it pretty blue?
Oh. Hold on.
You got it?
Yep. Woo!
I don't know.
Good job, Harv.
I don't think it's my personal best because my personal best is like 23 pounds.
Golly, right off the bat. You know what? Let's unhook this thing. That one. Did it come loose?
No, it's tangled up to that other pole.
I think the hook come out of it.
Oh, well, thank God we got him then. That was just pure luck. I think that thing probably weighs 20 pounds.
That's a good one. 15 pounder. There's a good one on the heart.